Hello students, welcome to part 3rd of the concept resonance. In this session we will discuss when does resonance occurs. So there are certain situations in which resonance can occur, but before that you must know what is resonance. Resonance is a delocalization of pi electrons or the lone pair of electrons, and it will occur whenever there is a conjugation. So it occurs when there is a conjugation. Now what do you mean by conjugation? Conjugation is a system of parallel p orbitals. Parallel p orbitals must be present on the adjacent carbon for the delocalization of electrons. So parallel p orbitals with delocalization of electrons. This is known as conjugation. Example I will tell you. Suppose you have this molecule CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2. Now each of these carbon, this carbon is sp2 hybridized because it is double bonded. We know that single bonded carbon is sp3 hybridized, double bonded carbon is sp2 hybridized, triple bonded carbon is sp hybridized. Clear? Now this carbon is double bonded, it is sp2 hybridized, and sp2 hybridized carbon is planar. So the molecule is planar and the p orbitals will be perpendicular to this. This carbon is also sp2 hybridized, and this carbon, it has positive charge on it. It is making 3 bonds, so it is also sp2 hybridized. It has one vacant p orbital. So how can you make the structure? These are the two hydrogens. This is single bond CH, single bond CH2. Now there is a parallel p orbitals present on these carbon. There is a pi bond between these two, and this p orbital is vacant. So these p orbitals are parallel to each other, and there may be a delocalization of pi electrons from this position to this position. So this is known as conjugation. So for conjugation, there must be parallel p orbitals, and parallel p orbitals may contain pi electrons, they may contain lone pair of electrons, or they may be vacant orbitals. So in these situations, resonance can take place. So I hope it is clear. So resonance will take place whenever there is a conjugation and there is a shifting of pi electrons or lone pairs. Now, how does the shifting can take place? Suppose there is atom X, double bond on one side, single bond on another side. This double bond may shift from this position to this position. So what will be the structure? Single bond, X, double bond. Clear? This is first situation. Second condition is double bond is present on this X atom, and this pi electron may shift to this atom as in the form of a lone pair. So there will be a single bond, X, lone pair, and single bond. Clear? Or the third situation is X atom is present, there is a lone pair here and single bond on either side. This lone pair may shift to either side, किसी भी side shift हो जाएगा. So you will get a double bond on one side. So this is the shifting. This is the three cases in which shifting can take place. Pi electrons may be shifted to adjacent bond position. Pi electrons may be shifted to the atom in the form of a lone pair, or the lone pair may shift to adjacent bond positions. So in this way the shifting can take place in the parallel p orbitals. Now let us start what are the 6 different situations in which resonance will take place. First situation is when double bond, single bond and positive charge are in conjugation with each other. That means pi electrons or pi bond, sigma bond and positive charge are in conjugation. Example is CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Here there is a so this is 1 minute. We will take it as CH2 plus. Clear? So here there is a, this is pi bond, this is sigma bond and this is positive charge. Pi, sigma, positive charge, they are in conjugation. Now how does the shifting takes place? These pi electrons may be shifted to adjacent bond position. यहाँ shift हो जाएगा तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2, and it has, this carbon has lost its one electron, so it will get positive charge over it. So these are the two resonating structures for this molecule or this species. Clear? So this is the first condition when pi, sigma and positive charge are in conjugation with each other. Second case is when double bond, single bond and negative charge are in conjugation, or you can say pi bond, sigma bond and negative charge are in conjugation with each other. Example is, suppose this is a species CH2 minus. You have a negative charge here with lone pair. Clear? Now how does the shifting can take place? This lone pair can shift to adjacent bond position and pi electrons to the atom. So how does the shifting takes place? You have this species, these electrons are shifted at this position, it will acquire negative charge. This bond, pi bond, contains one electron of each carbon. तो जब ये शिफ्ट होगा तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इस कार्बन का भी इस कार्बन पे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स इट विल एक्वायर वन एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो इट विल गेट नेगेटिव चार्ज. Here you will get double bond because this lone pair is shifted at this position and CH2. So this species you will get. So these are the two resonating structures. Clear? Another example we can take CH2 minus CO CH3. Clear? Now how does the shifting takes place here? Same way, negative charge may be shifted to this position, means lone pair will shift to adjacent bond position, pi electrons to the atom, oxygen atom. You will get the resonating structure CH2 double bond CO minus. You will get negative charge here on oxygen because it has taken one electron of this carbon also, and CH3. So these are the two resonating structures of each other. So the second situation in which resonance can occur is when pi bond, sigma bond and negative charge are in conjugation with each other. Third situation is when double bond, single bond and a free radical unpaired electron are in conjugation, or you can say pi bond, sigma bond and unpaired electron are in conjugation. Example is CH2 double bond CS single bond CH2. That is a unpaired electron here. Now how does the shifting takes place here? See this pi bond, it contains one electron of this carbon, one electron of this carbon. This electron will shift here and this electron, both of them will make a bond here. So you will get CH double bond CH2. Now one unpaired electron is left here, it will shift to this carbon. So you will get CH2 free radical. So these are the two resonating structures of each other. So the third situation is when pi bond, sigma bond and unpaired electron are in conjugation with each other. Next is, fourth one is when double bond, single bond and double bond are in conjugation, or you can say pi bond, sigma bond and pi bond are in conjugation. Example, suppose you have this structure, you have alternate single and double bond, double, single, double. Clear? Now how does the shifting takes place? This pi electrons will be shifted. I will show with another sketch. These pi electrons will be shifted to this atom. This pi electrons will be shifted to adjacent bond position. It will shift to this position. So what you will get is, these electrons has shifted to this carbon. So it will acquire a negative charge. These pi electrons are shifted to this position. So you will get a double bond here. This pi bond is shifted to this position, you will get a double bond here, and this carbon you will get a positive charge because it has lost its electron here. Clear? So these are the two resonating structures of each other. Another important example we come across is the molecules which have double bond in the functional group. Example, you have this structure, you have CHO group attached to it. This is aldehyde group. Now how does the shifting takes place here? See the shifting. These pi electrons will be shifted to oxygen atom and these pi electrons will shift to this position. So you will get a resonating structure like this. You have double bond here, single bond O, negative charge because these electron has shifted to this position, and there is a hydrogen here. There, now since this carbon has lost its electron, so there will be positive charge here, and this way you will get this resonating structure. Listen again. pi electrons to oxygen, नेगेटिव चार्ज, बिकॉज इस बॉन्ड में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कार्बन का था, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्सीजन का था, दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्सीजन पे शिफ्ट हो गए, तो ऑक्सीजन पे आ जाएगा नेगेटिव चार्ज क्योंकि उसने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कार्बन का ले लिया। ये इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हुए, इस कार्बन ने अपना एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज किया, इस कार्बन पे आ जाएगा पॉजिटिव चार्ज। क्लियर? नाउ दिस पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल शिफ्ट टू दिस पोजिशन, you will get another resonating structure like this, CO minus H, डबल बॉन्ड हेयर, ये बॉन्ड यहाँ पर आ जाएगी इस पोजिशन पे, एंड डबल बॉन्ड हेयर, यू विल गेट ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज हेयर। पॉजिटिव चार्ज यहाँ क्यों आया? क्योंकि इस कार्बन ने अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करके किसे दे दिया, इस पोजिशन पे आ गया, सो दिस कार्बन विल एक्वायर अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज। नाउ इन द अनदर रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर, दिस पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन विल शिफ्ट हेयर, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा पाई बॉन्ड, एक पाई बॉन्ड यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा पॉजिटिव चार्ज, डबल बॉन्ड CO माइनस एंड H। इन द लास्ट केस दिस पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल शिफ्ट हियर and this lone pair will shift back to its position, so you will get this structure here। ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ पर आए, सिंगल बॉन्ड C, डबल बॉन्ड O and H, you will get the same structure but these pi bonds have rotated। पहले यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट थी इन तीन पोजिशन पे, अब रोटेट होके एडजेसेंट पोजिशंस पे आ गई। सो दिस वे यू हैव टू मेक द रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड यू हैव टू डू इट अगेन एंड अगेन whenever you are studying the organic chemistry in class 12th। So these are important resonating structure where there is a conjugation of pi bond, single bond and pi bond। Now fifth case is positive single and lone pair। Clear? Positive charge, sigma bond and a lone pair। So example is CH2 plus single bond single bond O, we will take here O and then CH3। Clear? So how does the shifting takes place here? This lone pair will shift to adjacent bond position, so what you will get, see there positive charge is here, then sigma bond is there and there is a lone pair here, so they are in conjugation with each other। shifting will take place, lone pair adjacent bond position पे आएगा, अगर यहाँ पे आएगा तो इस कार्बन से पॉजिटिव चार्ज हट जाएगा, बिकॉज द वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन इज 4, उसकी 4 बॉन्ड्स कंप्लीट हो गई। O will acquire a positive charge because it has used its electron for bonding with carbon, single bond CH3। so these are the two resonating structures of each other। so this is the fifth situation, positive charge, sigma bond and lone pair are in conjugation with each other। the next situation, sixth situation is when double bond, single bond and a lone pair are in conjugation, means pi bond, sigma bond and a lone pair are in conjugation। example is CH2 double bond CH, single bond Cl। now they see there are 6 electrons on the chlorine, 3 electron pairs or 3 lone pairs। ये lone pair adjacent bond position पे आएगा and the pi electrons will shift to this carbon। so what will be the resonating structure? CH2 negative, single bond CH, double bond Cl, positive charge। clear? so these are the two resonating structures। another important example of this is if we take any benzene compound in which there is a functional group with lone pair। for example we have taken this phenol, how does the shifting takes place? ये lone pair adjacent bond position पे आएगा और pi electron shift हो जाएगा कार्बन पर। so what will be the resonating structure? resonating structure will be benzene I will make with this। clear? these bonds will remain same and this single bond OH। now see how the shifting has taken place, these electrons have come here and these electrons, pi electrons are shifted to this carbon. So this is the structure, positive charge. Clear? Now in the another resonating structure, these electron will shift here, pi electron will shift on this position. So what you will get again, ये पाई बॉन्ड ऐसे ही रहेगी, ये दोनों बॉन्ड ऐसे ही रहेंगी. देयर इज अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज हियर. नाउ दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर हैज शिफ्टेड टू दिस कार्बन. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज रहेगा और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर यहाँ पर आ गया. क्लियर? In the next resonating structure, this lone pair will shift to adjacent bond position, pi electrons to the carbon. तो स्ट्रक्चर क्या बनेगा? See, there is a pi bond here. ये pi bond यहाँ पे फॉर्म होगी और ये lone pair आ जाएगा यहाँ पर and OH positive. There is a lone pair on each oxygen. Clear? In the last resonating structure, this lone pair will shift here and pi electrons will shift back to oxygen. So you will get this structure again. Clear? So first and last structure are same. Here the double bonds have rotated. जो जिस कार्बन पे प्रेजेंट थे उसके एडजेसेंट कार्बन पे ये पाई बॉन्ड शिफ्ट हो गए. So these are the 5 resonating structures of phenol, and again they are important while studying the properties of the compounds like phenol, benzaldehyde, benzene compounds की study जब भी करते हैं, these structures are important because they affect a large number of properties of the compounds. So we have discussed 6 different cases in which the resonance may occur, and only these 6 cases are there where you can see the resonance taking place. I hope the concept is clear to you. That's all in this session. Thank you.